Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you most important structure, most important vocabulary. There is gonna. So yesterday I made a video. In this video, I talked about want to and honor. When you will use honor, when you will use gonna, and why we can't understand native English speaker. We talked about that in this previous video. If you didn't watch the video, so definitely you should watch the video. Yesterday I made this video. The video title is Ona Bonam 1-2. This video is very important for understanding native English speaker. If you don't watch, go right now and watch the video. This is very important for the beginners. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you most important structure, that is gonna. So when you will use gonna, instead of going to, you can use gonna. For example, I'm going to buy a car. This means you want to buy a car. It can be tomorrow and the next day, it doesn't matter, but you will really buy something or you will really do something. In this situation, in these cases, you can use I'm going to buy a car, I'm going to buy a mobile phone, I'm going to make video, I'm going to make pizza, I'm going to buy something from the market. So in these cases, you can use gonna. Instead of going to, you can use gonna. For example, I'm gonna buy a car, I'm gonna practice English, I'm gonna talk with you, I'm gonna go to Dhaka. Okay, I'm gonna go to market, I'm gonna learn English, I'm gonna buy a mobile phone from the market. It's very important for me because I have to buy so many video. So you can make a lot of sentence using gonna. Instead of going to, you can use gonna. If you use gonna, it will be natural sounds and it will be like a native English speaker. But if you use going to, it's formal. You can write going to, you can read going to, but when we'll try to say something in front of the people, when we'll say something, when we'll share your feelings with your other friends, with your other people, that time you can use gonna. I'm gonna buy a car, I'm gonna talk about that, I'm gonna buy rickshaw, I'm gonna go to Dhaka, I'm gonna go to Canada. So my dear viewers, I'm gonna close my camera right now, and if you're the new viewers on this YouTube channel, so I have a request for you. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you think it's a little bit helpful for you, so hit the like button and to share with your friends. I think it will be better for you. So take care. I will see you another video. Allah Hafiz.